Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you want more maths content, then please consider subscribing. If you learned something, then hit that like button. I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, question 4. Solving, we need to move everything to one side first. So we have x squared minus 10x on the other side will be plus 10x. Plus 24 on the other side will be minus 24 equals 0. Now factorizing 24, what options do we have? It looks like 12 and 2. Yeah, 12 and 2, we can easily make 10. So we have x and x, 12 and 2. Now how do we make plus 10? We need a plus 12 minus 2. So now we have two brackets that multiply to give 0. So either x plus 12 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. So either x equals minus 12, or x equals 2 when you move the 2 to the other side. Okay, move the 33 over. So this is a test of our factorizing skills now. It shouldn't be too bad because with 2x squared, we only have 2x and x. 33, we have 1 and 33, 3 and 11. Those are our only options. Now in terms of which one do we want, because 19 is quite a big number, I'm going to use 3 and 11, and I want to do 2x times 11 to make 22. Then 3 can go here. So we have 2x times 11 is 22x. Then 3 times x is 3x. How do we make minus 19? We need minus 22 plus 3. So we need 2x times minus 11, and we need that to be positive. So either 2x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 11 equals 0. 2x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 11 equals 0. Move the 3 over, 2x is minus 3, divide by 2, minus 3 over 2. Keep it as a fraction if you can. Remember, this is a non-calculator paper question. Minus 11, move it over, x is 11. Okay, question 7. So with a trapezium, the area is 42. Now the area of a trapezium is a half h a plus b. Half h, now remember your a's and b's are the lengths that are parallel in a trapezium. So your a's and b's will be these two, which means x is your h. The height of a trapezium is the perpendicular side, so the 90 degree, the line that makes 90 degrees to the parallel sides. So if we were to fill it out, it would be a half. H is x, then your a could be x plus 5, and b, x plus 8 is 42. Now, similar to last time, we can't easily half what's on the left side. So a half on this side means double on the other side. So we indicate that by saying times by 2 on both sides. 2 cancel out half. X bracket x plus x is 2x. 5 plus 8 is 13. 42 times 2 is 84. Now we expand. So we have 2x squared plus 13x equals 84. 2x squared plus 13x. Then move the 84 over, minus 84 is 0. Now that's the first bit done. Show that 2x squared plus 13x minus 84 is 0. Hence find x. So we're going to have to factorize this. Now, probably want to know our options. 1 and 84, 2 and 42. Does 3 go into this? It does. Remember the quick way to check if 3 is, you add the digits together. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 3 goes into 12, so 3 goes into 84 as well. Now 3 goes into 84, so 3 goes into 8 twice with a remainder of 2. Then 3 goes into 24 8 times. How about 4? 4 does. 4 goes into 8 twice, and then into 4 once. I'm wondering if this is enough. 5, 6 does. 6 goes into 8 once, with a remainder of 2. But then 6 goes into 24 4 times. Okay, I think that's it. 6, 7, 7 does work. Okay, 7 works. 7 goes into 84 12 times. And then that's it. 8, no. 9, no. 10, obviously, no. And then we'll cycle back to 12. Okay, 2x squared. We only have 2x and x as an option. Now, the problem is that we have loads of options now. Which one are we going to pick? Let's use some of my strategies. 2x squared, no even number can go in the first bracket, which actually eliminates this option because both numbers are even. If I was to use 7 and 12, the 12 would have to go into the second bracket and 7 would have to go here. Now, will that work? 2x times 12 gives you 24x and then 7x. So can 24 and 7 ever make 13? It can't. So this is not going to work. So that's not going to work. So we try again. 2x, x, 4 and 21. Okay, so the 4 again would have to go into here. Then we have 21 here. 2x times 4, yeah, so 2x times 4 gives you 8x. And then we have 21x. Can 8 and 21 ever make 13? It definitely can if you have a plus 21 and a subtract 8. Now, how do we get 21x? It was 21 times x, so that has to be plus. Then that has to be minus. So look, factorizing, if this was a non-calculator paper, a lot of people are not going to get this straight away. You have to do a trial and error here. 2x plus 21 equals 0. Or x minus 4 equals 0. Now, you should notice that this is going to give you a negative solution. So it can't be this, because you're minus 21, you'll get 2x is minus 21, divided by 2, x is definitely negative there. We need x to be positive. So move the minus 4 over, x equals 4 is your solution to this problem. Question 8. We have a plan for a house, and it's made with length 4x and width 3x as shown in the diagram. The house has a garden of width 4 meters on each of its sides, as you can see 4, 4, and 4. The total area of the house and garden is 132. Show 3x squared plus 10x minus 25 is 0, and hence calculate the area of the house. Okay, so the area of the big rectangle it's saying is 132. So we need this height, where we have 3x vertically and we have 4 vertically. So in total, it's 3x plus 4. Now on the horizontal, we have 4 here, then we have 4x, then we have 4 on the far right. So in total, we have 4x plus 8. So the area, meaning multiply these together, is 132, they're saying. So expand the brackets, 12x squared plus 16x plus 24x plus 8 times 4, 32 is 132. So we have 12x squared, 16 plus 24, 40x. Then minus that 132 over. So 32 minus 132 is minus 100. Now we divide everything by 4. When we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. 40 over 4 is 10. Minus 100 over 4 is minus 25, and that's shown. Then it says, hence calculate the area. So we want to factorize this. So with 3x squared, our only options are 3x and x. With 25, realistically, we only have 5 and 5. Now we have 3x times 5 gives you 15x, and 5 times x is 5x. We want plus 10, so we need plus 15 minus 5. So now what gave us that 15x? We have 3x times 5, which is plus 15. Then we have 5 times x, so that needs to be minus. So either 3x minus 5 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. Now this is going to give us x is minus 5, which we can't have. X represents a length, 4x and 3x, so x has to be positive. Move the 5 over and divide by 3. Okay, so there's our x value, but we're not done yet. They want the area of the house. Now the area of the house will be 3x, yeah, the vertical length, times 4x. 3 times 4 is 12. x times x is x squared. Now we need to substitute in 5/3. So we're doing 5 over 3 squared. So now we need to use some index rules here. When we square a fraction, we square the top and the bottom. So we have 25 divided by 9. Now we can do some cross-cancelling. So remember what this means. 12 times this fraction means you're doing 12 times 25 on the numerator divided by 9 in the denominator. But before we do that, we can do some cancellations. We can say, look, 3 goes into 12 4 times, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So to make our calculation much simpler, we can do that. Then we have 4 times, I don't know why I picked orange, but 4 times 25 is 100 on the top, and 3 on the bottom, and in this case it'll be meters squared to be your solution to question 8.